One of our favorite dinners to make: chicken, sweet potato, and mushroom bowls with ginger rice and sriracha soy mayo. Nice, quick, easy, healthy dinner. Reminds me of the Japanese steakhouse hibachi, without the hibachi and much more affordable. So I preheated the oven because we will roast our vegetables in the oven. So we're going to chop our green onions, separating the whites from the greens, then peel and mince or grate ginger. I decided to grate it. It's much easier. The fresh ginger, I did peel it with a peeler, then I grated it. I love fresh ginger. It smells so good. 2 sweet potatoes. I diced them into 1/2-inch pieces. Left the peel on, you don't need to peel them. And then we're going to core, de-seed, and dice the bell pepper. I diced the red bell pepper into 1/2-inch pieces. And added that to my vegetable mix. Then I'm slicing the mushrooms, trimming and slicing the mushrooms. I guess I did trim and quarter the mushrooms. I'm going to start the ginger rice. Melted some butter, and I'm adding the minced ginger, about 2 tablespoons, and then the whites of the scallions. Cook that up until fragrant. I added a little more ginger. And then 2 1/4 cups water and a pinch of salt. I'm going to bring that to a boil and then add the rice. Here I'm adding the mushrooms and the sweet potatoes to a bowl. And the hoisin sauce, salt and pepper, and then just toss it, mix it together. Vegetables on a sheet pan, added the pepper, and then put that in the oven for about 15 minutes. And now we're going to make the sriracha sauce. So we have mayonnaise, sour cream, soy sauce, and as much sriracha as you like. I don't really like things spicy, but for some reason I can handle the sriracha. I don't think it's very spicy. Heated a skillet with some oil. And I'm going to cook the chicken. Is chopped up chicken breast. I seasoned with salt and pepper. In the Japanese barbecue sauce. If you have not tried it, it is excellent. You can find it at any grocery store or major retailer. It's like a teriyaki sweet soy sauce. Salt and pepper. Don't ever forget your salt and pepper. And taste your food. Checking on the veggies. So the chicken chopped up isn't going to take very long to cook. Probably like 5 to 7 minutes. The rice is done. I stirred it with a fork. Don't overcook your chicken. It's already dead. That way it'll be tender. And you could grill your chicken breasts and then cut them up. I like to cut it before, and then it cooks faster. All right. Oh, our veggies look delicious. Sprinkled some sesame seeds on there. The veggies cooked for about 25 minutes. And now we're ready to plate. With adding the sauce to the veggies, just make sure the veggies are tender and the glaze will become tacky. The recipe, comment 35 below and I'll send it to you. 35, the number 35. Plating with rice and chicken and the veggies. and garnishing with the scallions. Delicious meal. Your family will think you worked way harder than you really did.